and welcome back to our channel dronehelpline.com. Friends, stop giving excuses for not enlisting yourself and your drone in the digital sky platform. Do you want your drones to get confiscated? Do you want legal charges to get imposed on you? Then what is stopping you from getting enlisted? This process of enlisting your drone without the purchase credentials will end on 31st January 2020 5 PM, beyond which you shall have to provide your purchase details and a registration fee. So friends, this is your last golden opportunity to voluntarily disclose the positions of these kind of drones before the due date. Based on the feedback from the drone community, DGCA has further simplified the drone registration process in the digital sky platform. Recently, DGCA has added some features like number 1. Manufacturer's serial number for the self-assembled drone is not required because the authority wants the Make in India community grow more exponentially. Number 2, they have added save and continue option. Number 3, Captcha has been simplified. Number 4, OAN for the corporate can now be saved and previewed. Number 5, DAN can also be previewed before submitting. We at Drone Helpline are ready to help you anytime. Just give us a call at our free support number 8100313131. Drone Helpline is a philanthropic initiative by the drone community supported by IIM Calcutta Innovation Park to spread awareness regarding the DGCA's drone rules and regulations in India, and also to make the entire drone community grow more responsible, indeed making the sky more safer to fly. Our entire team of Drone Helpline sincerely thanks Shri Ambar Dubey, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Civil Aviation, for acknowledging our efforts to spread awareness regarding the drone enlistment process in India. On behalf of the entire drone community, we would like to request DGCA to kindly extend the enlistment date at least for a week, so that the people who are still unaware about this enlistment process in our country can get registered quickly. So friends, please do not forget to get your drones enlisted, and also to like our video and subscribe our channel.